Have your roses stopped blooming as much as they did in spring? Are the stems growing wild, or are the flowers starting to fade? If you have been wondering when to shape things up, June might be the golden window you have been waiting for. It is neither too early nor too late. And with just a few careful cuts, you can set up your roses for strong summer growth. In today's video, we are talking about why June is the perfect time to prune roses in Zone 7. We will cover exactly what to look for, how to prune step by step, and what results to expect. Even if you're new to gardening, you can do this with confidence. By June, your roses have already had their big spring flush. Now they are shifting into a slower, steadier pace. This is when you may start to see faded blooms, long stems, and tangled branches. Left alone, these can drain the plant's energy. But with the right pruning, you help your roses stay focused on fresh growth. The warm weather in Zone 7 gives your roses plenty of time to bounce back, making this month ideal for shaping and strengthening. If you skip pruning now, you could miss out on a second wave of flowers. Worse, your roses might become weak, leggy, or even stressed from overcrowding. A few minutes today could make the rest of your summer garden much more beautiful. Look closely at your rose bushes. Do you see blooms that are drying out or falling apart? Are some stems reaching out far past the rest of the plant? Do you notice crisscrossing branches or leaves with spots? These are all signs that your rose needs a refresh. Pruning helps remove old growth, open up airflow, and push the plant to send out fresh, strong shoots where you want them. First, make sure you have clean, sharp garden shears. Start by cutting off any dead flowers. This is called deadheading. Cut just above a leaf with 5 leaflets, which is where new growth will come from. Next, look for stems that are weak, broken, or growing inward toward the center of the plant. Snip those off close to the base. This keeps the middle of the plant open, helping air move through and keeping leaves dry. Now, check for any branches rubbing against each other. Choose the healthier looking one and remove the other. If the plant is getting too tall or wide, you can also lightly shape it by trimming back a few inches. Just remember, in June, you are not doing a hard prune. Keep it light and gentle. The goal is to tidy up, not start over. After pruning, toss out the cuttings and give the plant a drink to help it recover smoothly. These simple cuts might look small, but they lead to big rewards, more flowers, better shape, and fewer pest problems. When you give your rose exactly what it needs, it rewards you with color and beauty all summer long. After pruning, check the leaves for pests like aphids or spider mites. If you see any, rinse them off with water or try a gentle soap spray. You can also feed your roses with a balanced fertilizer to give them an extra boost. And always water early in the morning to keep the roots cool and strong. Do not prune in the heat of the afternoon. Try not to cut too low into the woody base, and never use dull tools. They can crush the stem instead of cutting clean. A smooth, clean cut helps your plant heal faster. So, if you have been waiting for the right time to shape your roses, June is your moment. It only takes a few snips to bring life back into your plants. Give it a try and see the difference. And if you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more easy garden tips made just for Zone 7 growers like you.